ReFood, turning yesterday's food waste into tomorrow's energy. Whenever food is made, sold or consumed, there will almost always be some products that are not used, are unsaleable or simply left over. All of these need to be safely disposed of. ReFood uses the latest anaerobic digestion technology to recycle these products. Also known as AD, this is a controlled digestion process that generates renewable energy, heat and biofertilizer. ReFood's activities provide many advantages to an increasingly sustainable focused society. Food waste can be diverted from landfill and can be used to produce renewable energy, helping to preserve fossil fuels. ReFood is a network of AD plants which are being built across the UK and will provide a local solution for local waste. It works with businesses in an approximate 50-mile radius to ensure the carbon footprint of its operation is minimised by reducing road miles. The food waste, which mainly originates from retailers, restaurants and food manufacturers, is transported on a dedicated collection vehicle. Each time a collection is made, the used bin is exchanged for a clean, sanitised one, meaning there's no need for customers to wash their own bins. This is important for reducing the likelihood of cross-contamination and for ensuring biosecurity. ReFood can collect any type of food waste, be it products still in packaging, liquids or bulk quantities. Once the bins are loaded onto the vehicle, the driver will provide the customer with compliance documentation. This is a legal requirement and records the number of bins collected. Once a full lorry load of waste food is collected from local retailers, hotels, restaurants and organisations, it's then taken to the ReFood plant to be recycled. All incoming food waste is unloaded in an enclosed area where it's checked on arrival to ensure there are no contaminants. If the collected waste includes packaged food, this is handled through a dedicated process. Here, an innovative depackaging technology separates different materials, such as plastic, cardboard and paper, which are then sent for recycling. The bins are emptied and, along with the truck, are cleaned and sanitised before the next collection round. Food waste is then blended and conditioned to produce a puree. This puree is then mixed with other organic wastes before being placed into large holding tanks. To eliminate any potential health risks associated with food wastes, the raw material is pasteurised at 70 degrees centigrade to kill off any harmful bacteria before the digestion process. The most important part of the process is the digester, or bioreactor, as it's also known. The digestion is anaerobic, taking place without oxygen, so the process uses an airtight, closed vessel which is continuously fed with the blended food waste. The natural digestion process takes approximately 1 month for the food to break down, which happens when bacteria digest the different complex molecules, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. The process follows the same steps as nature, but the controlled environment means the byproducts, heat, gas and organic matter, can be captured and put to good use. Once the AD process is complete, the remaining digestate is taken to the post-digester, where it's processed to provide two main products: biogas with a high proportion of methane and a liquid fertiliser with a high concentration of nitrate, phosphate and potassium, which makes it a valuable product for use in agriculture. Before being turned into energy, the purity of the biogas is improved by passing it through a desulfurization system. Once the biogas is cleaned, it's then used in the Combined Heat and Power Plant, or CHP. In the CHP plant, the biogas is turned into green heat and electricity. The electricity can be used on site and sold back to the national grid. The heat produced is used to keep the anaerobic digestion process running and can also be used by local industrial customers. Plant safety is a critical requirement when dealing with gas and electricity, and to ensure the safe processing of organic materials. The site is designed to have safe distances between the different processes, as well as secure electrical installations and cables, lightning rods and permanently activated gas detectors. The site also includes a gas flare, which acts as a pressure relief system to allow the safe release of biogas during an emergency. Digestate produced by the ReFood process contains high amounts of nitrate, phosphate and potassium. The organic nature of the fertiliser means it can help improve soils and crops. ReFood provides a way for businesses to be more sustainable and divert waste from landfill.